Hello and welcome to YourArchive. In this video we will cover how to tag your content. There are two types of tagging within the system, standard tags and people tags. We will start by looking at standard tagging. The first step is to ensure that you have the tags you need set up within the system. To do this, select the relevant archive, then click on Manage Tags from the far left menu. If you have already created any tags, you will see them here. The screen also gives you visibility of the content to which those tags have been applied. To see the content to which any tag has been applied, simply expand the tree of the master tag in question and press the Show Content button here. You can also view any content in your archive which is as yet untagged by clicking on the same button next to the Untagged Content label. To add additional tags, click Manage Tags here on the left of the screen. Tags are categorized under Master Tags. As you can see, clicking on Select Master Tag will show you any master tags you have already set up and allow you to add a new master tag. How you set up tags is completely up to you. You can see I've already created a master tag here for events, and I'm now going to create an additional one for places. Once we have created a master tag or selected an existing one, then we can add sub-tags to it. I'll add UK, Spain, beach and pool as some options here. After you have entered each tag, press return or click on the plus logo to the right of the sub-tag field. That will add the sub-tag to the current list of sub-tags as you can see here. Once you have added all the sub-tags you require, then press save. If you wish to add an additional master tag, simply repeat that same process. Once you're happy you have all your tags created and are ready to start applying tags to your files, click Content from the top menu. Here at the top of the screen you will see a count of the number of files in that folder and also a count of how many of those files are untagged. For convenience, the thumbnails of untagged content will also have a red line around them to help you more easily pick them out. Hovering over any individual piece of content will show you a count of the number of standard and people tags which have been applied to that file. Standard tags can be added at a group level or individually. To add tags in bulk, use the Select All button from the secondary menu here, or use the button in the top left of each thumbnail to select the files individually. Once you have selected the files, use the Add Tags or Remove Tags buttons here. Select the required master tag, pick the tags or tags you would like to apply, and click Add Tags. Those have now been added to all the content selected. To tag files individually, I will select my first piece of content and select the Tags menu here on the right. The menu is exactly the same as with bulk tagging. Once you have picked your tags, press Add Tags, which will take you back to the content screen, and you can view the tags which have been added. If you've added any tags in error, click Remove Tags, close the tags you do not want, then click Complete. If you've missed out any tags, simply click Add Tags again and repeat the process. If you're working through a group of images where you want to use the same tags repeatedly, you will see a Copy button placed here under the tag field. By pressing Copy, you can then jump to other relevant images within the carousel at the top of the screen, and you'll see a Paste button has appeared here in the bottom right. Clicking this will paste those same tags into this image. You can create an unlimited number of tags within the system, and ultimately the more detail you put into your tagging, the easier it will be for you to reference through your data as your archive grows with time. That covers standard tagging. The next option will be to look at people tags. Much like with standard tags, you will need to create people before you start adding them to the content. To do this, go into your archive and click on the People option from the top menu. If you already have people set up, you will see them here. If not, click the Add People menu in the middle of the screen. If you have people set up, click Add Person from the left-hand menu. This will call this pop-up. You can put in as much or as little detail as you would like at this stage. For example, I will put down the name of Bill Jones. The nickname field is not necessarily just for nicknames. You can also use these for familiar names such as Grandad. At this point, you can also add an email for the person and a profile picture, but neither of these are compulsory fields. Once you have added the person, you will see this message to show you they have been successfully added and the option to add a further person. Once you're happy you've added everyone that you want, simply cancel and you'll return to the main list of people. Tagging people within the content is similar to adding standard tags. We will go to the file in question, this time selecting the People menu from the options on the right. You will see this field here to add person. Simply start typing the name of the person that you would like to tag. This will start to pre-populate the list for you. As you can see, if I start to type in Bill, then Bill Jones pops up as an option. Much the same as with the standard tags, we have the copy option here, which will allow me to jump from image to image and tag the same people without the need to repeatedly input them manually. That covers how you use the tagging functionality within the system. Should you require any additional help at any point in the process, you can call up our help function by clicking on the question mark you see here, or by emailing support@yourarchive.com. Thank you.